Welcome to this in-depth look at the Aston Martin Valkyrie, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. Built in collaboration with Red Bull Racing, this car is designed to be the closest thing to a Formula One car for the road. The Aston Martin Valkyrie's design is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, utilizing a radical body shape that maximizes downforce and minimizes drag. The car's sleek and futuristic look isn't just for aesthetics. Every curve serves a purpose. The large diffuser, underbody airflow channels, and advanced materials like carbon fiber keep the Valkyrie light and incredibly fast. At the heart of the Valkyrie is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine developed by Cosworth. This engine produces a mind-boggling 1,000 horsepower at 10,500 RPM, with an electric motor adding another 160 horsepower for a total of 1,160 horsepower. The Valkyrie can reach speeds of over 250 miles per hour, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds. The interior of the Valkyrie is as radical as its exterior. Stripped down to the essentials, the cockpit offers a true racing experience. The seating position is reminiscent of an F1 car, with the driver lying almost flat. The steering wheel includes integrated controls and displays, providing crucial information without distractions. Aston Martin has opted for lightweight materials throughout the interior, ensuring nothing gets in the way of performance. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is not just any hypercar. It's an ultra-exclusive machine. Only 150 road cars will ever be made, with an additional 25 track-only Valkyrie AMR Pros. Priced at around $3 million, the Valkyrie is one of the most expensive cars in the world, reserved for the most discerning collectors and enthusiasts. Driving the Aston Martin Valkyrie is an unforgettable experience. The combination of lightweight construction, precise steering, and the powerful V12 engine delivers a driving experience that's as close as you can get to being in a race car. The sound of the Valkyrie is equally breathtaking. The high-revving V12 engine produces a symphony of mechanical music that will give any enthusiast goosebumps. The Aston Martin Valkyrie represents the future of hypercars, pushing the limits of what's possible in design, performance, and technology. It sets a new benchmark for future cars and leaves an indelible mark on the world of automotive engineering. Whether on the road or the track, the Valkyrie is a machine that will be remembered for decades to come. Thank you for joining us for this detailed look at the Aston Martin Valkyrie. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think of this engineering marvel.